In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to type the letter N in Microsoft Word, a skill that is particularly handy if you are working on documents in Spanish or Filipino languages, or if you simply want to add a special touch to your writing. First things first, let's get Microsoft Word up and running on your computer. To do this, we'll start at the very beginning, which involves the Windows Start menu. So, give that Start button at the bottom left corner of your screen a click. Once you're there, you'll notice a search bar ready to assist you in finding what you need. It's here we're going to type Word. As you begin typing, you'll see Microsoft Word pop up as one of the top search results. Now you're one click away from diving into the Microsoft Word environment. Go ahead and click on the Microsoft Word application to open it. Upon opening, you're typically greeted with options for templates and recent documents, but for our purpose we're going to start fresh. Hence, navigate towards the Word Home tab and select the blank document option. This workspace is where all your creative and professional writing comes alive. It's a blank canvas awaiting your input. Now for the main event, typing the N, here's a neat trick that makes use of the Alt codes, a series of keyboard shortcuts that let you type special characters that aren't readily available on the keyboard. Position your cursor where you'd like the N to appear in your document, then simply type N0303. Now it might seem like nothing special has happened yet, but the magic occurs with the next step. Immediately after typing N0303, without adding any spaces, press the Alt key and the X key together. That's Alt plus X for short. This special keyboard shortcut will transform the code AGI N0303 into the much desired TSEN. It's a simple process, but there are a few key points worth mentioning. Firstly, ensure there are no spaces between N0303, and when you press Alt plus X, as spaces can interrupt the conversion process, leaving you with the initial string of characters rather than the N you're aiming for. Furthermore, this method is specific to Microsoft Word, which means it might not work in other word processing software or text fields outside of Microsoft Word. Also, this technique is reliant on the use of the numeric part of the code and the Alt plus X command, a shortcut specific to Word that triggers the conversion. In summary, whether you're composing a document in Spanish, Filipino, or any other language that uses the N character, or if you simply want to add an authentic touch to a name or a word in your document, this method provides a quick and easy solution. Just remember, open Microsoft Word, start a new document and use the N0303. Code, followed by Alt plus X, and voila, you have your name. Now that you know how to do it, you can add a bit of flair to your documents whenever needed. This trick, though small, is a perfect example of the depth and flexibility Microsoft Word offers its users, enabling them to meet a wide variety of linguistic and formatting needs with ease. Feel free to experiment with other alt codes to discover more special characters that can elevate your document's quality and authenticity. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial not only enhances your typing skills, but also opens up new possibilities for your document creation in Microsoft Word.